what is your main takeaway from the semi-final yesterday?
First of all, thank you. I think that we have to keep in our mind the first half. I think was one of the best minutes of the season for us. We were super ready, especially on defense, and is our game. Like we live from the defense, and after we can do our game, like running and what we like and what we feel more comfortable. And after also, I think that from the second half, we were sure that Carolo, after the halftime, would have scored more than the first half. We were sure that it wouldn't be 40 minutes like that. So the thing is that we were ready for that. You know, the third quarter was a little hard for us, but it's true that you can't be 40 minutes in 100% of energy because we are humans, and it's not easy 40 minutes. But even in the hard moments, we were there as a team. I don't know, I think we have to be so happy for what we did yesterday and keep this energy for the game of tomorrow, which will be so difficult.
So tomorrow, of course, you play against Venezia. Do you think that to approach the game with this intensity will be crucial to win it? And then also, what would mean for you personally to win this trophy?
I'm not saying that with this intensity we will win, because of course the other team is a good team too, but I think that when we play like this with this energy, especially on defense, touching every ball, helping each other, I think that we can put the things very difficult to any team in Europe. I'm sure about that. So as I say, we can't be like this 40 minutes, but as much as we can. It's a final, and it's 40 minutes to get a trophy, you know. So we have to be maximum that we can, and you know, I think that we are kind of similar team. They are super athletic, they are very strong, and they want the same than us. So we will be in the same intensity, I guess. But I don't know. I believe on my teammates, on the team, and I think that we can make it. And for me, would be amazing, of course, another trophy, and especially this one. I never played the Final Four of Eurocup, and I never won this. I didn't win this trophy yet, so for me, it would be amazing. I think that we are making a good season, a super good season, and I think we deserve to get some trophy, because we were in the final of a Spanish Cup and we couldn't make it, and we were kind of touched, but I think we deserve to win one trophy this season. So I hope it will be this one, and if we can, the Spanish League, of course.
Okay. So I will now ask question coming from journalists. I will ask in English. You can reply in Spanish. So the first is, what are your feelings about the final, but more if it is comparable to any other situation you had during your career?
Vale, en español, los feelings son que, bueno, que estamos aquí, que podemos hacerlo, que a todo el mundo, a todos los deportistas les gusta, ¿no? Trabajan todo el año para estar en esta situación, y pues ojalá la podamos ganar. Lo que está claro es que vamos a ir a por todas para conseguirlo. Y te diría que es similar a todas las finales que he jugado en mi carrera, porque al final, pues eso, una final son 40 minutos para poder levantar un título, un trofeo, así que lo diré pues como cualquier final de europeos, y bueno, pues levantar un título.
Another one from Juanma Romero from Levante Television is, how do you approach this game in terms of the growth of the team and the maturity of the team? Do you think you are now ready to win these kind of games?
Bueno, como he dicho antes, nos encontramos hace un mes en esta situación, en la Copa de la Reina, y fue duro para nosotros. Es verdad que era la primera final, es normal tener nervios, y bueno, creo que tenemos que quedarnos con la energía positiva del partido de ayer, especialmente la primera parte, de confiar en nosotras, que si realmente salimos como salimos ayer en defensa y con esta agresividad, creo que se lo podemos poner muy difícil a cualquier equipo, y yo creo que que bueno, ojalá hayamos aprendido de la final de la Copa y podamos salir pues igual con menos nervios. Y bueno, son 40 minutos, así que tenemos que darlo todo.
Last one is what would you do if you become Eurocup champion? If you have any make any promise or to your teammates? Or
Bueno, se
anything?
aceptan propuestas. Sería capaz de hacer bastantes cosas, no te sé decir. Aceptaría propuestas, no sé.
Okay.
I don't know.
Thank you. Well done.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.